Hey guys, it's Chris here, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the difference between the Bose QC35 Generation 1 and Generation 2. Can you tell the difference? Which one's which? Hard to tell, but Generation 1 is the one with it looks like a rubber piece with the logo on it that's stitched to the case itself at the front. Everything else is the same. The Generation 2 is a gloss print of the logo on the unit, on the carrying case. So aside from that, that's the difference. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. So the difference between the two Bose QC35s is very, very minor, but a huge improvement. Opening the QC35 first generation, you can see here it is. And on the case itself inside, you have, I don't have it with me because I don't like to carry it around, but you have a 3.5mm cable along with the charging cable, and it does not have quick charge, but it does charge pretty quick. Like an hour charge will get you like 5 hours of playtime. And it also has a airplane adapter, so this airplane adapter flips up and you can use it for airplanes. But most airplanes nowadays have a 3.5 jack, so you don't need to use this, or they do provide you with a little dongle on the airline. So I guess this is not needed anymore. However, this is still a cool piece. It has the Bose logo on it, and I actually prefer they include this. Unfortunately, on the QC35 second generation, they do not include a airplane adapter. See, nothing right there. But you also get the cable for charging. This is the 3.5 jack to make it a wired headphone. It doesn't have a microphone on it, and a micro USB port for charging the headphones. Looking at them side by side, they are both the same. One is a little bit heavier. The QC35 second generation is a little bit heavier, and other than that, there's no major difference. The only minor difference, but a huge improvement and huge upgrade, is the voice assistant button. So on the right side of the ear cup, you have the switch for on and off. Same thing with this. You also have the switch on and off on the right side. And you have buttons for volume up, volume down, play pause, volume up, volume down, play pause, the micro USB charging port are all on the left side, on the right side. On the left side, the first generation has nothing. All it has is a port for the wired cable for a wired connection. And on the left side of the QC35 second generation, you have a nice port for the wired connection, but also a lovely button for voice assistant. Now this voice assistant only works for Google and Alexa. So if you have an iPhone or an Apple device, sadly it's not Siri compatible. Now with all that said and done, is it worth upgrading from the first generation to the second generation? Personally, I think no if you're going to spend the full-fledged $300, but say you're going to sell your QC35 first generation for a good amount of money, and maybe you only have to spend $50 more to get the second generation, I would definitely upgrade. That's the position I was in, and it's definitely a really nice upgrade. The voice assistant button is really cool. What happens is when you press it, noise canceling still works, but the microphone picks up your voice and you can tell Google to do anything you want. Hey Google, what is the weather like today? Or what are my notifications today? That guy's gonna answer right now. Hey Google, stop. Well, that's about it. The only difference between the first and second generation is that Google Assistant button. Noise canceling is the same, sound quality and the amount of loudness is the same. The noise canceling is great. The ear cups, they all feel great. Same ear cups, you can see them. They look the same. That does it with this video. Thank you guys for watching the difference between the QC35 first generation and the second generation. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for future content. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. Subscribe for future content. Click that bell to be notified when the next video comes out. And press that subscribe button. More to come.